Blinded by the light. Wrapped up. I'm not even gonna get started. Anyway, so I haven't. God, I'm all over the place. Gosh, don't look at my dirty room. Anyway, so I have not posted a vlog in, I think, a week, something like that. I've just got really lazy. I do have clips. I'm kind of doing this one like a mashup of the past week, going all the way back to the flood. So that's what's going to be in this video, is things that I'm kind of throwing together. So I'm going to start back every day. I know I said I would, and then I got sidetracked and on these other little projects. So back in effect. Yeah, so sorry I have been away so long. Sorry. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. So, I cannot look directly into that light, because when I do, I end up seeing spots before my eyes for 30 minutes afterwards. So, yeah, the things I do to sacrifice. But anyhow, yeah, so this is going to kind of be a mashup video, random things, which usually it is anyway, no surprise. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you tomorrow, for real this time, every day. It is so warm out here right now. Chad, he is getting the ice out of his kayak. The great fallout.
Stupid.
So I haven't filmed in a couple of days just because it's just been so bad out and a lot of stuff going on. So yes, I have skipped some days, but I do have a couple things like some flood footage and some things that I'm mixing in with this. It's the new style, people. Run out and get you some.
Good look.
It is a good look. So I am torn between, should I go walking today or should I go dancing today? I just crunched ice. What?
Some people actually would think that looks good. I want to give you some advice. Well, you're doing it. I can't say nothing.
What?
I was going to talk about jogging pants with your boots. You're doing it.
This is not for a fashion statement. You just said we were going to ride out and look at the pond. I didn't know we were going to be in the public eye. Had no clue that was part of the deal. All I wanted was a little McDonald's, you know what I'm saying? I didn't know.
McDonald's, man. We eat clean now.
You eat clean. I work mine off by dubstepping, so.
Yeah, so crazy.
Well, that's the least mean thing you've said about it yet.
So crazy.
I'm standing on a block of ice. Only a dancer could have that kind of stamina.
You got it.
I do, don't I?
You got it, baby.
I'm going to kick this ice.
Until almost 4 o'clock this morning.
I didn't go to bed till 7. Thank you, time change.
I went to bed 5. But this beautiful warm weather is calling my name.
Well,
Calling me.
all I want is something to eat and go walk it and have Bible study and take some pictures. That's kind of what's on my agenda. I've got this new pea coat on, and jogging pants, and boots. Something wrong with that picture. You probably shouldn't. I would turn it to the side and let it pour out.
Yeah, I got to do that.
I'm so smart. Never been in the water, but it's full of water. Thank you, Snow.
Oh, God.
Well,
It just got real.
now it's all in one side.
Well, huh.
It's just scraping across that metal of that truck. Oh my gosh. It's a lot of water. Lovely.
Yeah. Look at me.
What are you getting out for? Oh, here's the snow again.
Here we go.
Here we go. Here we go.
that guy.
Sinus infection, I got vertigo, and I blew my nose and my ear went wonky. I don't know if this is smart for us to be out or not.
Never claimed to be smart, Robin. Got this far in life being stupid. I ain't gonna stop.
Singing country and some flood and a snowstorm, and I'm in a vehicle with it. It's just a nightmare. And I'm sick. Oh, this is bad.
Wow, man, we're headed.
Must have done windshield wipers was so fast. Okay, so this is the part 2 of the blizzard apocalyptic snow monsoon flood / disaster 2015.
Wild time.
Wow.
Wow. Is that Ronnie?
So we're headed towards US 23 to kind of check out the water.
My kayak, look at it right there.
I mean, if any of y'all was to get in a perilous situation and not be able to get out of your house,
Come yak with me, boys. I will rescue you.
he will come and get you in the kayak.
I
It'll be
will
the
yak.
scariest ride of your life, but it may save your life.
Be the yak attack.
So don't be shy. The web will come and snatch
I'll do my
snatch
best.
all you people up.
I will put my life on the line for yours.
Hey, there's no greater love than laying your life down for your friend.
Right.
And we're friend to all.
Oh, man.
Oh God, we're getting ready to do something bad.
It's bad.
I
We're
sound
going to
so
check on
poor.
Elizabeth right now.
Elizabeth is at McDonald's having breakfast. She just called me,
Oh,
so
is she?
yes, so
Oh.
she's fine. So
Okay.
she's been checking in with us, thank
Still
God.
gonna go down there and check
But
on
we're
the
gonna
state of
check and see what's going on. So we'll go ahead and I wanna hang on to the old crap bar on this truck and catch y'all in a second. Here we go. Slowly but surely. This is a hot mess up here. Scrapers are out.
Holy crap.
So there's the river, guys. Top of that, all the snow. Unbelievable. So Chad and Jack are in their man tent if they get in from time to time and watch videos about spiders.
So they're like, how aggressive are they?
Like, very, very aggressive. Like, when you even get close to them. Like, barely even close to them.
Wow.
They bite you.
That's crazy. Would you like to have one for a pet? Really?
Yeah. I don't know why. I would watch it eat a mouse.
Would you?
Yeah, probably a baby could probably stole a mouse. 2 mouses.
Right.
Yeah. So, you know, they were just...
The man tent.